Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to check your battery health with the Ampere app on the ZTE Blade A36. First of all, open the Play Store, click search at the bottom and search for Ampere. It's in my recents, but you can of course type it. Right here is the Ampere app, what we were looking for. Click install. It's not heavy, so it should download pretty quick. And click open. Press OK. Press do not consent or consent, doesn't really matter. And right here it says health. If it says good, medium or low, if it says low, you should probably change your battery. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment and goodbye.